Windows 11 build 22463 is here. First thing is that the taskbar alignment is fixed. After annoying us for a little while, now it is fixed. So let me just change the alignment to the center so that you can see it. Works perfectly fine. Next thing is that you can easily now copy the location of path of a file. Let us head over to desktop. Select the file and press Ctrl+Shift+C to copy its path. You can easily paste it by pressing Ctrl+V. You can see I've done the same thing on Notepad. Now when you open the Action Center, then near the volume control you get to see a new settings option that allows you to change the playback device. Under all apps, we get to see accessories, under which we find the ease of access apps. Two of these do need a change of icons to match Windows 11 design language. Focus Assist has a new setting that adds a button to enable the feature automatically for an hour after Windows update. So that's all for the new update of Microsoft. I'm a bit hyped up for the Windows 11 stable rollout on October 5. It will be interesting, Windows 11 on bare metal, since after that we will eventually get or receive the update if the minimum system requirements are met. Do comment your views about this, like my video, and a sub to the channel will be appreciated. Thank you so much for watching.